Hey, I'm Nathan Crane.
I'm Derek Crane.
And we're the co-founders of Crane Factor, where we bring you programs, products, and inspiration on healthy living,
Fitness training,
and creating an amazing life. And today we're going to take you into part 2 of our pistol squat tutorial. If you're brand new to pistol squats, you haven't even done them yet, we highly encourage you to go to part 1, watch that video, do the tutorial, then come to part 2. If you're a little bit more advanced, you're ready to move forward, this would be a great place for you to start. Derek's going to start with what the pistol squat looks like.
So the pistol squat is, you're going to squat all the way down. This other foot can't touch the ground. So this full movement here all the way down and then coming all the way back up. So that other extended leg actually can't touch the ground so that you're getting that full depth.
Let's do a quick side angle here for him, would you?
So on emphasis is to be able to sit all the way down, come all the way back up.
So you can see how much range of motion and mobility you need to do this. He's grabbing the toe, helps a little bit of balance, takes a little pressure off that hip flexor as well. You don't have to grab the toe. That's just one form of being able to do it. You can see there you do need the range of motion in the knee. You need it in the hip, in the back, in the ankle. So if you don't have the range of motion, go to our part 1. We show you some ways to help cultivate it. If you do have it, then we want you to start with these progressions today first before you try that full pistol squat, because if you try that too quickly, you might strain or sprain potentially a tendon, or it might disrupt your knee in a negative way. So I'll show you the first progression because this is the easier of the two. So the first progression in part 2, this will actually be our second progression because our first one was in part 1. So you put let's say your right foot behind your left ankle, and you're basically going to do a pistol squat just like this. Squat all the way down and up. You can switch to the other side. Left foot, I'll show you side angle. Behind, and do your squat with your heel on the ground. Keep your heel planted down. You don't want to be coming up onto your toes on this. Like that. Now, before you move into progression number 2, we want you to do 4 sets of 10 on each leg. If you can't do 4 sets of 10 on each leg, don't even start progression 2 yet. So until you get 4 sets of 10 on each leg, then move to progression 2, which Derek will show you right now.
So progression 2, you can find a bench or a step up. You can find a chair, just make sure that it's really, really sturdy on the ground. What we're going to do is just get up into the fully extended position. Emphasis being that even though we're doing unilateral movements, you still want the weight into your heels. It's really important. So as we start sitting down, we're going to extend this leg forward. We're going to start sitting down, keeping the weight into the heel all the way as far as you can to where that foot then will touch the ground, and then coming all the way back up. So if it's to the point to where when you're coming down and suddenly, let's say like right here, so you kind of you have to come and you kind of allow yourself to touch the ground, it's perfectly fine. Just making sure that you're listening to your body, and then from this position, standing straight up, still keeping this foot slightly forward, coming all the way back up. So the ultimate goal there is to being able to keep this foot forward, and all that it does is your heel lightly touches the ground. As you come down, lightly touches the ground, and then you're gonna stand all the way back up. Still focusing, keeping your chest upright, and then standing back up.
So same thing here. Once you work up to this progression, we want you to be able to do 4 sets of 10 on each leg. As you can see it where it becomes more moderate or easy for you before you move to part 3. So as soon as you get 4 sets of 10 here, 4 sets of 10 here, go to our part 3 video. We'll take you through the final tutorial, and then you'll be doing your pistol squats like that. So thanks so much for tuning in. Leave us any questions you have below. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. We put out new videos every single week on tutorials, workouts, motivation, inspiration, and a lot more. So thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you tomorrow.